Hello, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy F22 and I'm gonna show you how to clear the credentials on this device. First we need to open the settings. To do it, swipe upwards on the screen to open the app menu and here tap on the settings icon. In settings, let's scroll down, find the option called biometrics and security and tap on it. Here scroll all the way down, select the option called other security settings. And right here we have option called Clear Credentials. Tap on it, then tap OK to confirm. If you have some kind of protection on your phone, like PIN, pattern or password, confirm the action by entering the PIN, password. As you can see, it says credential storage cleared. And that's how you clear the credentials on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.